We have an update regarding the report of two kayakers missing on the river by Red Lake Falls, Minnesota, on this Saturday evening. Apparently, they have been found and they are okay. Earlier on this Saturday evening, there was an emergency call for a water rescue regarding two tubers who were lost. However, that turned into two kayakers who went past the boat landing here in Red Lake Falls, and they weren't seen. Two local kayakers. We're now hearing that both of them have been found safe. No problems. We're still awaiting more official word from all this from the Red Lake County Sheriff's Department. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.